me a story.
About what?
Well, I want to read about the oceans.
Sure, just pick up that book over there for me.
Okay, thank you. What a snuggie. Here you go.
Thank you. So there are many oceans. There's the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. And now for the history of the ocean. The ocean began when the lengthy escape of water vapor and other gases from the molten igneous rocks of the earth evaporated into the clouds surrounding the cooling earth. After the earth's surface had cooled to a temperature below the boiling point for water, rain began to fall and continued to fall for centuries. As the water fell into the great hollows of the earth's surface, the ocean came into existence. The forces of gravity prevented the water from leaving the planet.
Thank you, Grandma. That was a good story. Thank you. Bye. Young lassie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to decide whether this random cup of ocean water is homogeneous, heterogeneous, a solution, or an alloy.
Well, let me take a look. Oh, if you look closely, you can see the particles inside. And that means it is heterogeneous.
Thank you so much for explaining that to me.
You're welcome. Well, I best be going. My wife's back hair isn't going to shave itself.
Ew, what?
I best be going.
Ocean water. Excuse me, ma'am?
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Now when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get.
May I help you?
Yes, I have a question on the ingredients of the ocean.
Ah, well, I can help you there. Now, if you take a look in the water right there, you can see that that is regular stream water. Nothing special about it. But now, if I take this cup of salt, put the salt in the stream water, that still doesn't make it ocean water, does it now? That is because ocean water is a little more complex. If you take a look at the picture right in front of you, you can see that seawater has water and salt. But the salt is a little more complex also, because the salt has chloride, sodium, sulfate, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and other minor substances. So that's why table salt mixed with stream water does not make the ocean. Thank you. Hello, thank you for joining us tonight. This is the 10 o'clock news, and top story tonight, Furbies. Never buy them for your child. They don't shut up, and they talk about nothing of importance. Now, on to the weather. How is it out there tonight, Brenda?
It's pretty cool out here, Tom. It's 0 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I have this bunch of ice cubes in my hand. They froze at 0 degrees Celsius because it's fresh water. But as you see, I have this cup of ocean water, and it still hasn't frozen yet. That's because ocean water freezes at a -2 degrees Celsius. That is the physical property change between fresh water and ocean water. Back to you, Tom.
That was a fascinating report, Brenda. Well, that's all for tonight. Go to bed and sleep tight. I'm out of here.
Boo-hoo, I'm crying. I need someone to help me answer this question about water.
Did someone say water?
Yes, I did.
Well, how may I help you, little girl?
I was wondering how the sea salt could be separated from the ocean.
Oh, well, I can help you there. If you take a look right here, Pretend that this blue paper is the water, and the rocks are the salts and other minerals. Now, desalination is the removal of salt and other minerals from the water. So, if you were taking out the rocks, or aka the salt or other minerals, you are desalinating it, leaving you with just the water.